Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, locate the Ethernet port or the USB-C/USB adapter you need, and inspect the cable for visible damage. Plug the adapter into your laptop first, if required, because adapters define speed and compatibility. Next, align the RJ45 plug so the clip faces down or in the correct orientation, then insert firmly until it clicks. Do this to ensure a physical link. Once connected, the laptop can begin negotiating speed and link status automatically. Once the cable is clicked in, open your operating system's network settings to confirm an active Ethernet connection. If your network uses DHCP, the laptop should receive an IP automatically. Make sure it did by running ipconfig or ifconfig, and note the IP, subnet, and gateway. If you need a static IP, enter the address, mask, gateway, and DNS manually. Do this because mismatched settings block traffic. Finally, test connectivity with a ping to the gateway to verify successful negotiation and route presence. Finish by routing and securing the cable to prevent strain on the connector and to maintain signal integrity. Neat routing reduces intermittent faults. Make sure to disable Wi-Fi if you want the wired connection to be primary, because some systems prefer wireless otherwise. If the link doesn't establish, check the Ethernet link lights first, then swap the cable or port, and try another device to isolate the fault. This single troubleshooting tip quickly identifies whether the issue is the cable, the laptop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.